Hi everyone, it is Friday, hands up in the air for Friday. So I knew as soon as I came home from work today, I was going to crack on with this DIY. It's a really quick one. The letters look a bit messy, but that's because I've just messed up. But shh, don't tell anyone. The plan is to spray paint them white and using this little baby here, white Rustoleum, and also to add moss to the O. And it's very windy out, so I'm not going to take the camera. I'm just going to go out and, risk my life to spray these guys. Once they're dry, we will crack on. Okay, it worked. It actually worked. This is 2 coats. They might actually need a 3rd coat, but I think you can see on camera, they're really nice white. I obviously haven't done the back. I'm not wasting spray paint on that. They're a really lovely white colour. Still a little bit tacky because I'm worried it's going to rain, so I've brought them in. Next step is just to cover the O in Mod Podge and add the moss. Okay, yes, I've put tons of glue on here, absolutely tons. I find Mod Podge just dries so quickly and I can't keep up. So I'm going to go for it. I'm just going to lay all the moss down until the O is completely covered. It's a bit like my baby shower selfie DIY. I want the O as covered as possible, but I'm going to come back and, make it neat as possible. So that at the moment the moss is all over the place, but as I push it down and I make sure that it's dry, kind of stuck in all the places, I'll go back and I'll cover up any gaps with additional moss. Right, I don't think this could get any messier than it is. So, first time ever trying this method. Seriously, if it works, then yay, we're onto something. If it doesn't, hey, nothing has to work all the time. So, don't judge me for using this glue, okay? Right. Big dollop of moss in the middle of the table. It's too much. Look, it's too much. Okay, so my plan is, let's have a go. Shall we have a go? Pour the Mod Podge on. Add the moss together in one big squelch and pretty much coat the moss with the glue. My theory, listen. My theory is that I can stick it to the letter in dollops. Now, remembering that Mod Podge dries clear, and it's already green, it's not like I'm going to see the glue. Mod Podge dries clear, so now I've got a big, thick, gloopy mess that I can work with. Will it work? That's the question. Will it work? So, let's bring the letter back into shot. So, now I'm just going to push it on to the letter. Oh, and because the glue is so saturated, oh, guys, it's working. It is working. Hello. Probably someone out there has tried this and they're probably going, didn't you know that, Claire? No, I didn't know it. It's working. I'm happy. I'm so happy with that. I'm so happy with that. I feel like it might take a week to dry, but, we'll see. So I'm going to leave that and come back to it when it's dry. So this is the finished product. I'm officially in love. For the purposes of YouTube, I'm going to pretend that grass is dry. It's not dry. I did say Mod Podge dries real quick, but it turns out when you make it into a mulch, it doesn't. It knows I need it to dry quick and it's just not doing it. So the last thing I'm going to do, I put a poll out on my Instagram channel, which I just recently started up as well. And that's Claire's Craft and Interiors. So feel free to come on over and join me on that. I put a poll out on there whether I want this O with the flowers or without the flowers, and the general vote has gone for flowers. So we are going to just dollop some hot glue in places. Okay, it's not completely dry yet, but this is fine. They will stick. Gonna put a couple of these little flowers left over from previous DIYs that I never actually used, because I used the big roses. You'll see that in previous DIYs. Just going to put a few of these around just to pretty it up, make it look like a country garden, pretty country garden. Put those on. What I need you guys to do now, I need you to help me. Is that enough? I think that's enough, actually. I'm not going to put the last one on. I need your help to help me now. I'm going to put this on the wall in various places, and I need you to vote. I need you to comment down below what place in the house you think I should put it. I can't even talk tonight, but that's the plan. So I'm going to hang it now. I'm just going to use temporary tape so that I can move it around and adjust it. And then I'm going to just film the different locations, and I need your help. I think I kind of have a favourite, but I just want to see what you think. Let's go. Okay, this is destination number 1. I'm not even sure now it's there. I think it's too small. So, I don't know. We'll see. So, the green kind of goes with the green. So, this is my hallway. And, okay, that's destination number 1. So, okay, destination number 2. This is my hallway. And I've slotted it in over the kitchen door. The O... Help. The O has slid down the wall, but you get the picture. So that's option number 2. Option number 3, possibly the final option, is in the kitchen. I've got this column here which hides pipes, and that's option number 3. So which one do I go for, guys? Look at all my blank walls. It's tragic. Ignore the kitchen. The O is about to fall off the wall. But yeah, which one? So option number 1, option number 2, or option number 3? Help me. So if you guys can comment down below, I've just put the O on timeout. Like, he needs to think about his actions right now. But the O is out drying. So if you could help me out, I don't know which one to choose. Yeah, I'll give it a few days. I'm not sure how many comments I'll get. So hopefully at least 1 or 2 comments would be great. And yeah, help a girl out, people. Thanks for watching, and I hope you realise how easy this was, apart from the O, who's just being a rebel. But super easy DIY, and it really will look pretty once it's up. So thanks for watching again, and yeah, enjoy.